Okay, this is a VDF engine lathe. It's a 32-inch swing by 260-inch centers. It's a model V6, serial number 096100046316356. New in the 1960s. You got 22 inches over the cross slide. It's a Camlock D111 spindle. That's your steady rest. This is a 4-way tool post. This is a large, heavy-duty taper attachment. You got hardened ways, which I am showing you here. You don't have any scoring. That's your 4-drawer chuck. These are your controls. You can see here the machine was built for America with inch feeds and threads, but you also have metric and module threading capability. That's your large hole, which is a 5-inch hole through the spindle. That's your tailstock down there. Angel's going to run her for you right now. Big quill, that's the center of the tailstock. That's your cabling to run the rapid. Okay, Angel's going to run it. Oh, he's wrapping the cross slide. Wrapping the carriage. What are you feeding it longitudinally? Okay. It's a low feed rate. You can see there the bar is turning. By the way, you also have a thread dial. He's feeding the other direction now, the cross slide. Okie doke. The guy wanted to see it run fast, by the way.
Fast?
Yeah. That's pretty fast. Low speed. Okay. Want to do the threading? He's got the lead screw turning now. You see the thread dial going there. And he's going to engage the calf nut. Now he's threading. Can you move the tail stock quill out? Okay, I'm going to walk you around back, show you that again. That's your bracket on your taper. Northern belt. Electrical cabinet. Ford George truck. Thank you for watching the video.